Alright, in this video I want to cover two things. The first one is we're going to go over how to rewrite your article, because it's really important that you take each of the 10 unique articles and you rewrite them. And the reason is because it's going to help you as you submit them. It's going to, basically make the article end up ranking higher potentially. Plus, after we do that, I'm going to show you how to create a nice title using the keywords, because you want to have a nice keyword-rich title. And then we'll go on to the next phase, which is to select your affiliate program that you're going to be pushing. So we're in the weight loss niche here. And what you're going to do next is come right on over to where it says the topic right here, which is how to lose weight naturally. So what you want to do here is you actually want to be writing and creating the article. Again, you want to rewrite the article. So you want to open up the Word document where you have your article, and you just want to highlight it all, right click and copy, right click and copy, and you're going to go ahead and put it right into a notepad file here. So I'm just going to put that into a notepad file and separate the paragraphs here. Now what you're going to do here is go ahead and actually end up rewriting each sentence of the article where it makes sense. So for example, what I'm going to do here is separate each sentence. So where each period ends, we're going to make a double space. And now there is software that you can actually use to actually help you do this, and I will show you that link at the end of this. But this is kind of for the for those on a budget, because I understand when you're making money online, it can take some time. You need to before you feel like investing in any tools. So this is something you can still do without having to invest anything at all. But it does take a little bit of time to go through and do. But it is an efficient and effective way to reword articles so you have more unique content. It's actually a very, very effective, excellent way for you to do this. So I'm just going through and putting a double space between after every period. So that means after every sentence, because that's going to basically give me a chance to rewrite each and every sentence for the article. And we'll know, like, the second line, we'll put it in parentheses, as I'll show you, will be the additional article. By rewriting these, though, again, it's helping you within the search engines. Once you start submitting this, it's going to help you have more unique content, and actually once you rewrite these, you can actually have multiple content to submit, which means more traffic. So what you see here, so for example, as people nowadays become more health conscious than ever, they're always finding ways to lose weight. So there is a sentence right there. So you could put, and I recommend you do this in parentheses so you know which one is the rewrite. So you could say more and more people every day, more people are becoming more aware of their health and are discovering methods to lose weight, for example. So notice how I just took that sentence and I reworded it. So it's pretty much, it's similar but different. So many products and brochures are being done in numerous weight loss gadgets and programs that you have to pay for. Seems everywhere you turn, you are being marketed another weight loss solution or program that cost lots of money. So again, I completely reworded that sentence. So you notice here how fast I'm going through here. Now, I recommend you do this for each and every one of these. Just, go in here, put a space in, parentheses. Well, most of them are scams. People would most probably try them out in hopes of losing weight the quickest way possible. People will try almost anything to lose weight as quickly as possible. So again, you can see here that I've just been efficiently going down here rewording each and every sentence, which is going to end up at the end here create a completely unique article. And then when this is done, you could actually mix and match sentences. So combine, like, let's say, like, combine this sentence with the original second sentence, and maybe combine this second sentence that I reworded, in here with another one. So now, basically, by rewording this or rewriting it, you can create completely unique articles. Now, there is a software I promised you that I'd show you how to do this that's inexpensive, but again, this is a cheap way to do it. So you just want to go through the whole way and make sure when you're done here that you file, save as your notepad. I'm using just a notepad file. You could do this in Word if you wanted to, but just make sure you save this because it's very important that you save this in. Okay, so here is the article that actually can help you do this process a little easier, and it will actually, at the end of it, actually take the article and turn the content you've created that's human created and actually turn them into multiple articles. So not just like one additional one or three additional ones. It can end up turning it into 10 to 100 additional articles. So it's a pretty powerful tool, and that is just called Magic Rewriter software. Magic Rewriter software, and you can just go over here, and it's just www.article-rewriter.info. Article-rewriter.info. It's a great software program, relatively inexpensive, and I believe the cost is $47 just for the rewriter. They do have a submitter that goes along with it that's also a good tool, so you might want to just check that out. Obviously, you don't have to do this. It would help you and assist you if you find that it gets laborious to rewrite your articles. But this process is really, really important for you to rewrite the content. And so it's very important that you do focus in on rewriting. So now that we've kind of accomplished that process, what I want to show you now is how to create a nice keyword-rich title. So you see here the topic here is how to lose weight naturally, and so obviously you want to have your main keyword phrase show up in the title of your article. This is a must and something that should happen all the time with your article. So I'm just going to come over here and create a nice title. So you want to start with your keyword, how to lose weight naturally. So I always like to start with the main keyword phrase if at all possible. So how to lose weight naturally. Let me just make sure that's spelled correctly. How to lose weight naturally, and then discover how, or something like that. How to lose weight naturally, discover how, or discover the solution. Something strong. You want to basically give the keyword phrase and then give people a reason to check it out. So it might be five tips to weight loss success. So something like that. You want to basically encourage people, because a nice title, it doesn't matter. Just having the keyword phrase sometimes won't be enough to get people to want to read it. So you want to make sure, how to lose weight naturally, and then give them a reason, so discover the solution, something like that. Something strong, something powerful that will really show them that you can offer them what they want to do. Now, obviously, when you rewrite the article, and I recommend you rewrite each and every article you do, that would actually end up giving you 20 unique articles to 30 unique articles if you really, want to just, splice them together. But I recommend each article, the rewritten ones even, have a different title to it. And so start with your keyword phrase if at all possible, and then give some sort of strong statement in there that would encourage people to want to read that article. So whether it's 5 tips to success or discover the solution, whatever that might be, that's what you want to do. So we're going to go on to the next process, the next step, which is going to be finding the affiliate program and a couple of products maybe that you want to promote, and then also set up your landing page. And then once that is set up, we're going to go on to the next process, which will be submitting your article, writing your resource box, which is how you get the traffic, and then we'll go on to the next process as far as getting your articles ranked, and then close out this system.